Today I'm going to show you how to make this no-sew bandana that you just slip on your dog's collar. Really easy. This is what the back looks like. And let's get started. So you'll just need your fabric. I already have this cut with pinking shears into a triangle. This measures about 18 inches right now, and is what I would normally use for a small to medium-sized dog, Shih Tzu, maybe a little bit larger dog. But with this bandana, you're actually going to use less fabric for same size dog. So what I do is cut this down the middle for what I would normally use for a extra small dog, like a Yorkie, small poodle. But this can, when done, this can be used for a Shih Tzu or medium-sized dog also, because you really don't need it to go all the way around the neck or even all the way across the collar. So first thing is you're going to turn it over and you're going to create your seams. So this is the neck part, and then this is what's going to hang off the collar. So just put your hot glue all the way down here. Press it down good. Then you're going to repeat the same thing over here. Make sure everything's pressed down smooth. If you have some overlap here, you can just kind of fold that in and glue it down. Okay. And next you want to find your corners and you want to cut this little excess off here that kind of overhangs. And then you want to take these two corners and fold them in. But you want to make these sides here as even as you can. Fold them up. You can use your measuring mat, or if you just want to eyeball it. And then I like to flip it over and just make sure everything looks even. You want these edges to line up. Then you take your glue, glue it down. And then you're going to take these corners and you're going to fold them in as well. Glue those down. And you want to make sure that these edges also kind of line up. These corners, these same corners, line up evenly. That's where this mat comes in pretty handy. And if you see anything else sticking up, you can just kind of glue it down. Like this seam is kind of sticking up still, so just glue that down. And then you will kind of fold that over and line up these seams, kind of fold that in half. And then what you do is glue as close to this seam as you can get. Because your collar is going to go in this area. And then you just line that back up. Press it down good. And if you have some overhang here, you can just kind of glue that in also. So that's the back, that's the front, and then you just take your collar. Everything's all seamed up, no frayed edges. Looks like it's been sewn. And you just fit your collar in there. And if you know, like I said, if you notice anything sticking up, you can just kind of glue stuff down a little bit better. And that's it. And also, you can make bigger sizes, any size works. All right, thank you so much.